for you here. Hey guys, Phil here. So we are almost done finishing all the packing and all the parcels for the batch 1, for the first batch. So batch 2 is coming over around September, and we still have a couple of things to pack here, but mostly everything is done for now. In a couple of days from now, we're going to launch the batch 2 Indiegogo campaign for those of you guys who don't have your keycaps yet. More precisely, those who pledged on the Amiga 500 case, so now you will have the opportunity to get a couple keycaps as well. And of course, those of you who already have keycaps and want more, yeah, it's open to you as well, of course. We had the luck to have Bill Winters, who made an awesome review about the keycaps, and luckily in a couple of days, Dan Wood is also going to release his review about a couple of keycap sets, samples in fact, that we sent him earlier. Neil Green, our other partner, did also a nice review, and you can actually follow the link down below in the text to Indie Retro News, where you will be able to actually read Neil Green's review on the keycaps. So that's it guys, thank you so much, and so as you can see, we're almost done here. Anything, any comment, any question, do not hesitate to send us an email, and of course we're here to answer your questions. Thank you so much, and see you soon, bye!